Hey guys, it's Jessie. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit different of a video. I have a lot of yarn and craft organization to do, so I thought I'd bring you along. The room here that I normally record in is what we typically call the cat's room. It used to be my son's room, but then he's now in the Navy and he doesn't live here anymore, so it is our cat's room / craft room. So I'll start by giving you a little tour of this room. We live in a pretty small place. This room is pretty small too, and we don't have a lot of storage space. So we're gonna do the best that we can. I'll give you a little bit of a tour and then we'll get started. So on this side of the room, this is where we normally keep the cat litter. And we we have it on, we took a shelf apart and we kind of put the litter on there so it would be a little bit higher. We used to have 2 dogs. They passed away. They were almost 15 years old. So we needed to put the litter up so they wouldn't get into the litter and eat things. You know how dogs are. And then we move over here. We have our cat tower. The cats absolutely love it. And then here is where I normally record my videos. And as you can tell, my little crafting bookcase here needs some organization also. I have a little bit of everything on here. So then moving this way, we have another little kitty tower here. Up here is an old desk where we have their food and their water dishes, and this little mini car that they used to fit into when they were kittens, and our closet. Okay, are you ready for this? The disaster you've been waiting for. Well, maybe not, but here it is. Okay, so I've turned a light on here so you can see in the closet. We do not have a light in here. First up, let's go up to the shelves here. We have a whole lot of games from when my son was little. We still want to play games, but I'm thinking I'm gonna have to store them because we haven't been really playing them for quite a while. I have some blocking mats over here. Up here, we have a whole lot of cat supplies. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm gonna move all these cat supplies back in our laundry room. We have pet supplies back there, and I want to just keep everything all together. I bought Lion Brand Santa sacks last year, and so I used the bag for storage. I have a bunch of yarn in there. I have yarn and scrap yarn over in this bag too. So let's go down to this side. I have a whole lot of jewelry supplies here. I have some crocheted blankets, crafty things, yarn bags, yarn still from Hobby Lobby clearance, pillows, and it keeps going. More yarn, sewing supplies, lots of craft supplies in here. I have like markers, pens, papers, cardstock, you name it, buttons, everything. And same with this tote down here. This tote is also filled with yarn. And then over here, I've got all kinds of things. I've got painting supplies. I've got cardstock cutting supplies, more yarn, another Santa sack. We've got cat food. So I'd say this closet needs a lot of help. I did buy another tote to put more yarn in, so hopefully that'll help some. Let me know in the comments if you have any ideas on how to organize a very small closet. I definitely could use more ideas, but today we're gonna do the best that we can with what we have and see what we come up with. So I thought I'd show you this cat toy basket that I made. I crocheted this with a bunch of scrap yarn, and I love the basket, but for cat toys it doesn't seem to work because the sides are not very stiff, so they're not staying up and they keep bending in. What I think I'm going to do is remove the cat toys and maybe later on crochet a basket that has firmer sides. If you have any suggestions on how to do that, let me know in the comments below. And then I'm going to use this for storing more yarn. I have so much yarn and I would love to share it with you guys. So once we get 100 subscribers, I am definitely doing a yarn giveaway. Alright guys, we are on day 2 of this closet cleaning. It's such a small closet, but as you saw last night, there was so much in there. It got really late and I had stuff all over the place. I was wore out. So I figured I'd save some for today. We're gonna continue to work on it and I'm hoping to get it done tonight. I also found another bag of yarn in my other closet in my bedroom. And there's quite a bit in here. So I am going to work on getting that also into that closet. I have a tote here that I filled up with yarn. Okay, we got a lot of work to do, so let's get to it. Finally, hours later, here's the yarn. I did not get to organizing it the way that I would want to. I'm just purely exhausted, so I kind of threw it in there for now and figured I can organize better later. Got my sewing supplies here, a little box of craft supplies, and another bag for, I forget what's in there, crocheting, craft supplies, just a lot of things. I have some empty space up here. My husband wants to, he makes model cars, so he wants to put some of his stuff in there. Got my beads, my blocking boards, and down here, I decided to put a bunch of finished projects in this bag, and I have a lot of Lily sugar and cream cotton yarns in here. I wanted to try and keep them all together. Miscellaneous yarn, and lots of, well, not lots, but some projects. Got some painting supplies in the corner here. I have some drawing supplies, more crafting supplies. I have a crocheted bag here that I made, and another Santa sack down there. Both of those are filled with yarn. Those bags are filled with scrap yarn left over from other projects and just a lot of tangled yarn. I need to untangle them, and I know that's gonna take days. So I threw it in the closet for now, and at a later time, I'll take the time to unwind them. I actually don't mind unwinding a tangled mess because somehow it's relaxing to me. But another day, because it was a lot of work. Thanks so much, guys, for watching and joining me. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.